Hello, my name is Chainat. My student number is 650111139. Today, we invite you to embark on a fascinating journey into the heart of nature at Chainat Bird Park. Join us as we discover the enchanting world of feather fan. Like here in central Thailand, let's spread our wings and explore the beauty of Chainat Bird Park. Welcome to Chainat Bird Park, a haven for bird enthusiasts. Nestled in the heart of Chainat, this park is home to a diverse array of bird species, both native and migratory. Join us as we witness the symphony of wings that fill the air. Get ready to be amazed by the avian marvel that calls Chainat Bird Park home. From vibrant parrot to majestic eagle, every corner of the park is a showcase of nature palette. Just as we meet this incredible creature up close. Beyond the beauty and entertainment, Chainat Bird Park is actively involved in conservation efforts. Learn about their initiative to protect and preserve bird species, ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. It's a place where education meets advocacy. Immerse yourself in the serene surrounding of Chainat Bird Park. Take a stroll to rush landscape. The park design create a peaceful haven for both bird and visitor alike. As we conclude our journey to the wingspan of Chainat Bird Park, we hope this scheme has sparked your curiosity and love for our avian companion. Plan your visit, bring your binocular, and join us in celebrating the wonder of Chainat Bird Park. Thank you.